Hi, this is Washer Tester. Have you ever seen a weird funky smell in your laundry after getting them out of the dryer? Well, it may be that your dryer is dirty. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your dryer. Let's go to the laundry room. We're in the laundry room. The first thing you'd like to prepare is your solution of water and vinegar to any kind of spray bottle. And I also prepare a microfiber cloth and I dip it into water with a teaspoon of dishwash liquid. Now let's see what's going on inside the dryer. Before starting wiping your interior drum, you want to always check your lint filter in case it has some lint on it. Well, just like I imagined, we have some lint got over here. You have to start wiping these lints so that you don't want to mess. I'm gonna spray my vinegar water solution inside the dryer. Now I'm gonna wipe it with my microfiber cloth. Don't forget to wipe your paddles. You want to thoroughly wipe entire drum. This is to kill any kind of residue or bacteria that may rest in your dryer. And also the back. And I'm also going to give it a wipe to the door to remove any kind of detergent residue that may have. What you don't want to forget is that there might be some moisture sensor in your dryer, just as you see over here. And I'm also going to give it a wipe because if you keep it clean, your dryer gonna work better and it will stop over drying your clothes that may have caused damage over time. The next thing you will want to check is the residue behind the lint filter. So as you can see, there's a lot of gunk built up over here. This dryer hasn't been cleaned for over a year and it's got into pretty bad shape, I can say. I'm gonna use a long brush kit that I bought from Lowe's. This is a dryer vent cleaning kit that you can buy from anywhere. But if you don't want to buy, that is okay. You can just get a long brush. I have to scrub to get this lint that's stuck in between. I'm gonna use my vacuum cleaner just to prevent spillovers from the dryer. I'm gonna now wrap my clothes into the brush to get as much as I can. As you can see, there's a lot of gunk buildup. I'm gonna wash it in my basin to continue with my hand as much as I can get. This was why our clothes actually smelling. Disconnected my dryer and I will just wipe the backboard because you may have some lint trap in the back of your dryer and you want to always check if you have excessive lint over here. Since I don't have much, I'm just gonna wipe it and then clean the vent hole. And next thing, you want to make sure there is no vent left inside the dryer. This is the final and most important step, probably, that will kill all the bacteria that causes any type of smell in your laundry. So what you want to do is try to get a towel. It can be a bath towel, face towel, and dip it into the vinegar and water mix. Or I'm just gonna spray with my water vinegar solution some part and toss it into your dryer, and then just run it in the hottest, longest cycle as possible. And we wanna make sure all the vinegar is out from the vent, and you wanna just continue replacing back your dryer and set it up again. And you also wanna wash your lint screen, I would say around every 2 months, 3 months, depending on how much you use your dryer, because over time there might be some chemicals, fabric softeners or detergents may be accumulated inside these little holes, and it can affect your dryer performance. So I'm just gonna wash it with a dish soap and a brush. Just gonna put my dish soap a little bit and then brush the lint screen. Fully dry this screen before running your dryer. I'm just gonna put it over air dry, and after it finishes, I'm just gonna put it back into the dryer. This was all about cleaning the dryer. If you want to also clean your vent hole, you can also do that. Go ahead and also brush inside of your duct. But this was all about it for today's dryer cleaning. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in another video. Bye for now.